Ng, Managing Director of Profoto Malaysia for professional and business services industry. With a commitment to providing one-stop solution, Profoto excels from conceptualization to execution, ensuring a seamless and customizable experience for its clients. Let's give Kimmy Ng from Profoto a big round of applause, please. Congratulations, Kimmy.
Good evening, everyone. I'm deeply honored to receive this award. First, I would like to thank the organizer for this recognition. I'm also want to thank to my business partner for their support and collaboration. And the most importantly is, I want to express my sincere appreciation to my dedicated team. Your hard work and commitment have been crucial in achieving this success. Thank you all for making this success. You are all awesome. Thank you.